Hello friends, good day to you all. I am Anuya Chabukswar. Today I am going to give you information about addiction and its effect on our body. For last 4 to 5 years, I am working on the project of anti-addiction drive. I go to different colleges and schools and there I give the information about the addiction and its bad effect on our body to the children, and I try to bring awareness among them about the addiction. So today, with the help of this channel, I am going to give you the same information. Try to listen to it carefully, try to think over it and decide for yourself that you will never ever go for any type of addiction. Hello children, good day to you all. In my previous episode, I have told you about different types of addictions and their bad effects on our body. I have told you about the vicious circle of the addiction. Today I am going to tell you about the tobacco. Tobacco is a very addictive substance because tobacco has got nicotine in it. Children, do you know that our country is number 1 in the world in the oral cancer? Because in our country, many people have the habit of eating tobacco or gutka or pan masala, jarda, mawa or something like that which has got tobacco in it. And I have told you before that tobacco has nicotine in it. Nicotine is a very addictive substance, and once you become addict to it, you cannot come out of it, out of that habit of eating tobacco. It becomes very, very difficult for you to come out of it. There are many institutions who say that they will help you to come out of it, but they charge you a lot and they will not take you out of it, means it is not 100% guaranteed. Very soon, when you become addict, the effects of tobacco are seen on your body. That means you can see stains on your teeth, you can see that there are patches in your mouth and your gums are damaged. Even you cannot open your jaw because the muscles of your jaw, they are stiff, they become stiff. And just imagine when you cannot open your jaw, how would be your life? You cannot speak, you cannot smile, you cannot eat or drink, and you cannot even take the dental treatment. So at first, you just try all these things to enjoy your life and see within some years how miserable your life becomes. Finally, you suffer from TB or heart trouble or even cancer. Cancer of lips, cheeks and tongue. I have seen many patients who are operated and whose tongue is removed because there is cancer on the tongue. So, children, please remember that you have to think twice before starting eating anything that has tobacco in it. Always try to remain away from it and try to live healthy and joyful life.